Hi everyone, today I am going to tell you a very short story from Panchatantra. And the name of the story is A Strange Two-Headed Bird. So let me begin the story. A long ago, there was a very peculiar, strange bird which had two heads. And since it had two birds, nobody had seen this type of bird in the past, nor anybody would see it in future. It was so peculiar. This bird loved to eat. Since it had two mouths, it ate the double quantity of a normal bird. And when the mouths were enjoying the taste of the food, the stomach was rejoiced to the fullest. So once this strange bird came to a tall tree and sat on a branch. At that time, the first head saw a beautiful fruit was hanging on a branch just nearby it. So immediately the first head plucked the fruit. Here the second head was searching drastically for another fruit, but unfortunately there was no more fruit. And the first head went on eating the juicy fruit and said that he had never tasted such a juicy fruit before, and it was so tasty. The second head then requested to the first head to give him one bite, but the second head flatly refused to share with the fruit. Hearing his word, the second head was feeling very humiliated. So he just asked him to share the fruit once at least. But the first head didn't agree. Then not only that, he passed a comment. He said that, why you are worried? After all, the fruit will go to our common stomach, na? So there is no issue. Then the second head said nothing, and only being humiliated, he thought of taking revenge on the arrogant first head. And the very next day, the second head got a chance. Now when once again they went to another tree and sat on a branch, that time the second head got spotted a fruit, a beautiful fruit. So he knew it actually what it was, but immediately the second head plucked the fruit and held it between its beak. When the first head saw the fruit, he just screamed, "No, don't eat it. It is poisonous. If you eat that, then both of us will die. Don't do that. Both of us will suffer." But the second head was in no mood to listen to the first head, because he was boiling to take revenge. So the second head didn't listen to the word of first head and ate it. And immediately, after a while, both the heads and the bird suffered, and ultimately they died. So what is the lesson from this story? First thing, forgiveness is much better than taking revenge. Second thing, united strength is much better than divided strength. If they could agree to each other's word, then probably this might not have happened. However, whenever you are listening to Panchatantra, please remember one thing. Every Panchatantra stories are based on morals. And this is good for all of you, not for only children or adults, for everybody. Thank you so much. And once again, I will meet you with another new story. Thank you.